For introduction, a sieve shaker is a laboratory equipment that selects dispersed materials based on sample size. In the laboratory, it is mostly used for particle size analysis of powders, loose materials, and suspended solid. It can handle a wide range of fine and ultra-fine granular materials and is especially well suited to difficult-to-handle materials. It is commonly used in soil, pharmacy, metallurgy, food, cosmetic, and grains to replace manual sieve shakers for sample selection and to improve experimental efficiency. Next is principle. The materials are separated on the basis of their size due to high-speed vibratory motion. The finest particles are collected in the collecting pan's bottom sieve, while the largest particles are collected in the upper sieve. Moving on to the component of sieve shaker, there are 6 components altogether, which are lid, belt, clamp bar, vibrating tray, indicator bulb, and lastly timer. As for the sieve components, the diameters range from 2.0mm, 1.0mm, 710 micron, 500 micron, 355 micron, and 250 micron. Also, the sieve component includes a receiving pan. Now, let's see how it works. First, arrange the sieve according to its diameter. The diameter decreases from top to bottom. Second, pour the sample, which in this demonstration, we use sugar into the top shaker and close the sieve lid. Third, adjust the belt and clamp bar. Fourth, switch on the shaker and set the timer on continuous mode.
5 minutes later.
After finish, switch off the shaker, observe and collect the sample. The steps are then repeated by using flour as sample. Next, we are going to look at the result for both sugar and flour sample. Here, we can see that the sugar and flour are both sorted according to the size in each sieve component. Lastly is the precaution. The first one is, we have to arrange the sieve based on the right order, which is from large to small diameter. This is to avoid from error and incorrect size reduction of the sugar and flour. Secondly, before the switch is turned on, make sure the belt is tightened correctly to ensure that the sieve will not extremely move and to work properly. Third, after the sieving procedure is done, don't forget to turn the switch off to avoid wastage of electricity. Lastly, remember to clean the sieve after collecting the result to avoid contamination and error for the next use.